Niggas finna.
They got a.
Smart move. Smart move. You're coming up. Sit on that smart.
Oh shit, boy. Nah, he just stopped the fucking road. Oh, it's traffic. Oh yeah, man. Right, I did my car just in time, man. I'm with the fast boys now. I
can't wait till we get our shit, twin. In that bitch. Rawr, rawr, nigga, I'm coming through.
Bro, I need some tires and stronger brakes, and niggas is not seeing me. Where niggas going? My shit only shoots. My shit ain't. Wait till I put an exhaust in this bitch. My director was driving behind me because we had to go to an event on Tuesday. She was like, "Oh my god, your car sounds like you're shooting." She had to call her son the next day and have me explain everything I did to the car. This time I changed gears. I used my GoPro not to die. I lost my fucking batteries for it. 3 miles on this road tonight.
Damn, I even got my whisper shit.
They don't need back tires.
Should take one of the hella well.
If y'all want me to calm down, just let me know. imagine just how Tennessee gonna be, bro. You gotta come to Tennessee with me, bro. Get your shit fixed, bro. Everybody that I told about it, bro, they're like, "Are you fucking crazy?" Niggas on
What the fuck is this?
Oh, I've been on this. It's hella potholes on this bridge.
Oh, shit. Niggas finna.
We behind the beds.
Oh god, that shit finna hurt.
These niggas finna
Rip his shit.
Oh, this shit one way?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit crazy. I wouldn't even rip through this bitch. Fuck it. They must know these roads where they pushing it. You. Oh, that shit's crazy. Is that railroad trucks? Bro, you hear my fucking turbo spooling? God damn! That bitch whistling.
No way, bro. That shit obnoxious, gang.
Yeah, that shit overpowering my
That shit
shit. I thought my
obnoxious.
shit was bad.
Spit back too.
Shit. Fuck it, I'll make my shit louder tomorrow.
Spit back too.
My shit gonna be louder tomorrow. Fuck these niggas. Ah, fuck.
Should be in jail?
I just gotta turn it off, turn it on. That means I slipped the gear. We need to hit a red light. Don't want to pull over. Don't want to get stuck behind a slow nigga. It'll still go. I just can't push it as hard. I need an air intake. I think that's what it is. Spark plug and air intake.
Should need to breathe.
Yeah. The shit's on sale right now, but I got $40 left to my name for 10 days. That shit cannot be bought. I'll do it right here real quick. Damn, then there was a red light out there. Damn, my brakes hot.
This shit's smooth though.
I appreciate it, man. Wait till this shit gonna be even smoother when I get them tires, man. I'm telling you, bro. That corner, fuck a brake on the corner. Fuck was that?
Where this nigga go? Waking up everybody. Bro, nothing beats the turbo. Holy shit.
Man, if you had this shit, man, I'm telling you, man. If you would've got this shit instead of the Infinity, you'd have been having fun, bro. And then I could've helped you change shit. I already did all this shit on fucking self. As long as your shit wasn't as bad as mine, all my shit was C's, bro. 0.2 miles make a left.
niggas is gone.
Crazy. I'm feeling the adrenaline. Fed up here. Shit's hot. That's right, speaking to these new brakes. What's going on? What's going on?
Take a look.
But they said all the way up there, take a left. I don't think it look like school kids. Yeah, screw up a little bit more. I'm gonna give you a break, bro. I'm gonna give you a break. But I still ain't even past 250, bro. I'm gonna have the fastest car on my family's tree. Yeah. Feds here already?
There's an area.
That
They
rally
already kicked this shit down. They started skirting out.
regular niggas shopping like, what the fuck?
Come on, honey, they're shooting.
They're shooting, honey. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, y'all saw that video from England where the lady was crying on the bridge. She was like, they're shooting in the tunnel. And it was niggas, like, niggas was having a car meet and shut down the whole tunnel and was just having their shit backfire. Yeah, there's a Fed in this lot. I used to pray for times like this, to drive like this. Let me turn you up, save your battery.